What if you could transform written content into polished videos effortlessly? Would you be surprised if I also told you that it is going to help you save the most valuable asset of your life? Yes, that shit is real and we are not playing around. This video will not be similar to any cliché AI tool videos like this, or this. Now, we know that AI tools help many content creators to make enormous amount of money. Our major goal purpose is to sort out and introduce you the latest and most beneficial AI tools for growing social media businesses. This tool will immensely affect your content in terms of how you develop your storytelling strategies, and it will also interpret the different emotional contexts of images, which is not a feature of every AI tool. Introducing the Pictory AI, it is the ultimate video creation genie, granting your wildest content wishes with a flick of its AI-powered wand. Say goodbye to the editing grind and hello to a world of endless possibilities. With automatic captioning and a treasure trove of stock footage, your videos will sparkle like never before. It's time to sprinkle some digital magic and dazzle your audience like never before. Before proceeding on details of what this AI tool is all about, please subscribe now for more contents like these, and let's make movie magic together with Pictory. Introduction to Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a cutting-edge platform revolutionizing video creation by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. It seamlessly transforms text materials such as scripts and blog posts into professional quality videos, eliminating the need for manual editing and saving valuable time. With advanced AI algorithms, Pictory AI offers features like automatic captioning and access to a vast library of stock footage, ensuring that the final product is both polished and engaging. By streamlining the video creation process and enhancing efficiency, Pictory AI empowers content creators and businesses to unleash their creativity and meet the ever-growing demands of modern audiences in the digital content creation industry. Stay tuned for other intriguing facts that will be covered in the course of the video. Now, what really makes this AI tool very special, right? To answer this, we need to look at what features it can possess that does differ it from other ordinary AI tools. Key features of Pictory AI. 1. Script-to-video transformation. Pictory AI revolutionizes video creation by effortlessly converting written scripts into captivating visual content. Gone are the days of laborious manual editing. Simply input your script and watch as it seamlessly transforms into a polished video, saving you valuable time and effort. 2. Blog-to-video conversion. Say goodbye to static blog posts and hello to dynamic video content. With Pictory AI, you can breathe new life into your written blogs by transforming them into engaging video narratives. Capture your audience's attention with visually compelling storytelling that brings your ideas to life in an exciting new format. 3. Text-based video editing. Wave goodbye to complicated editing software. Pictory AI simplifies the editing process by allowing you to edit videos using text. With intuitive commands, you can effortlessly trim, cut, and enhance your videos, all without ever touching a traditional editing interface. 4. Automatic captioning. Accessibility meets innovation with Pictory AI's automatic captioning feature. Ensure that your videos are inclusive and engaging for all audiences by automatically adding captions. From subtitles to closed captions, Pictory AI ensures that your message is heard loud and clear. 5. Auto-summarization for long videos. Keep your audience engaged from start to finish with Pictory AI's auto-summarization feature. Long videos are condensed into bite-sized highlights, allowing viewers to quickly grasp the key points without feeling overwhelmed. Say goodbye to viewer fatigue and hello to streamlined, engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Now, since we know what is the capacity of Pictory AI, it is time to reveal how to utilize those sources for the best outcomes. We will cover the basic terms of accessing, utilizing, and delivering the sophisticated end results. Tutorial. Step 1. Generate images and text with novel AI. Sign up for a free Pictory account at Pictory AI. Select Script to Video on the account homepage. Paste your copied text into the script editor of Pictory. Optionally, you can also title your video. Highlight keywords in your text for emphasis. Major key points you need to keep an eye on while generating the media are as follows. 1. Quantity of items. Whenever you mention something about a person, character, or animal, make sure you put numbers because it may sometimes confuse the characters of your texts. 2. Timing. For the best media outcome, including the timing of events occurring so that an AI tool can represent more specific footage based on the duration of daytime, seasons, or any specific location. 3. Location. It is of the utmost importance that you highlight the location of a specific incident happening so that an AI tool can resemble the auto-generated or improvised sections of media more appropriately. 4. Emotions. For this, add precise and direct adjectives like big, green, attractive, fast, strong, and it's said to visualize the undisclosed personal features of characters. Step 2. Creating a video story with Pictory. Customizing your video. In the Scene Settings menu, choose Auto-Highlighting Keywords and Auto-Selecting Visuals. Decide how scenes are created based on sentence breaks, line breaks, or both. The AI will storyboard your video, automatically generate visuals, and apply captions. Edit your video, add background music, branding, and AI voiceovers. Text in the storyboard can be edited and reordered. Finalizing and downloading your video. Preview your video to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, generate the video. Download it as an MP4 file. In addition to understanding how to make those eye-catching visuals, you need to realize the pros of using this tool in a detailed way. Advantages. 1. Save time, create videos in minutes. Pictory simplifies the video creation process, allowing you to generate captivating videos in just minutes. Say goodbye to long hours spent on editing. Our platform streamlines the process, giving you more time to focus on your content. 2. Simple to use, powerful AI assistance. With Pictory, harness the power of advanced AI technology without the complexity. Our user-friendly interface guides you through the process effortlessly, while behind the scenes, our powerful AI algorithms handle the heavy lifting, transforming your ideas into polished videos with ease. 3. Professional quality, extensive video library. Access over 3 million high-quality video clips right at your fingertips. Whether you need stock footage for a corporate presentation or dynamic visuals for a social media campaign, Pictory provides the resources you need to create professional-grade videos that stand out. 4. Crystal clear narration, your voice or AI. Customize your videos with crystal clear narration, either using your own voice or AI-generated voiceovers. Whether you're narrating a tutorial, sharing a story, or delivering a message, Pictory ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. 5. Works with any computer, runs in the cloud. Enjoy the flexibility of creating videos from any computer with internet access. Pictory runs in the cloud, eliminating the need for hefty software downloads or hardware requirements. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, Pictory is always accessible, empowering you to create wherever inspiration strikes. Now with the hack you have to do with all these tutorials and advantages, where you are going to use the bulk of introduced information specifically. Here's how you can take advantage of it. 5 uses of Pictory AI. 1. Effortlessly extract highlights. With Pictory, transform lengthy Zoom Teams, webinar, and podcast recordings into bite-sized video snippets with ease. Automatically extract the most engaging moments from your content, saving you valuable time and effort. 2. Create engaging branded clips. Elevate your social media presence with branded video clips that capture attention and drive engagement. Pictory allows you to add your branding elements to each snippet, ensuring consistency across your social media platforms and reinforcing your brand identity. 3. Maximize social media impact. By converting long-form videos into short, attention-grabbing clips, Pictory helps you maximize your impact on social media. These branded snippets are tailor-made for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, where concise, visually appealing content reigns supreme. 4. Increase audience engagement. Break through the social media noise and captivate your audience with compelling video snippets. By highlighting the most relevant and engaging moments from your recordings, Pictory encourages viewers to stop scrolling and pay attention to your content. 5. Streamline content distribution. Simplify your content distribution strategy by repurposing long-form videos into shareable snippets. Pictory streamlines the process, allowing you to quickly and efficiently create branded clips that are ready for posting across your social media channels. Reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your content with Pictory's automated highlight extraction and branding capabilities. However, since nothing is perfect, we should realize that we may sometimes hit a huge wall of limitations. Consider these points as a vital decision makers for your content generation strategy. Disadvantages. 1. Limited control. Pictory AI's automated system, while efficient, may not cater to users with highly specific ideas or requirements for their videos. For those seeking precise control over every aspect of their content creation process, the automated nature of Pictory AI may feel restrictive or limiting. 2. Limited editing options. Although Pictory AI offers customization features, some users may find it lacks the flexibility needed for specific edits. While it simplifies the editing process, those requiring advanced or highly tailored adjustments may find themselves wanting more options to fine-tune their videos to their exact specifications. 3. Limited input options. Pictory AI's input options are limited to text, images, and videos, potentially excluding users who rely on alternative input formats. Those accustomed to utilizing other mediums such as audio recordings or animations may find themselves unable to fully utilize the platform's capabilities due to these restrictions. In conclusion, while Pictory AI offers a streamlined approach to video creation, it's essential to acknowledge its limitations in catering to every user's needs. Its automated system and predefined input formats may not suit those seeking intricate control or alternative input methods. However, for many, Pictory AI represents a powerful tool for efficiently transforming ideas into engaging videos. Are you ready for the last surprise? Here is the interesting fact about Pictory AI. Did you know Pictory AI supports automatic captioning in over 50 languages, providing accessibility and engagement for a global audience? Yes, 50 languages, you heard it right. So stop making excuses for being non-English speaker or writer. If you are interested more in the features of similar AI tools, you can check our related playlist for AI media generation tools. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this in the future, and let's make magic happen.